one of us knows that our beloved manager, Reverend Father Anthony Kadaparambil, is the motivational source behind every action of our school. So, with much respect, I invite our beloved manager, Reverend Father Anthony Kadaparambil, to deliver his message.
My dear children, I wish all of you a joyful celebration of Children's Day at home. November 14th has always been a joyous occasion for Pallotti Hill Public School, not just because it is the birthday of Chacha Nehru, who loved kids and seen children as the future of modern India. Unfortunately, the celebration of Children's Day is affected due to the COVID-19 pandemic this year. The day traditionally marked with showcasing of teachers' dancing skills, acting, singing and so on, but unfortunately it is muted this year. However, the teachers have put a lot of efforts to entertain you on your Children's Day through online media. Congratulate and appreciate the good efforts of our staff. We encourage you, my dear students, all of you, to make the event joyful at home with your parents and grandparents. And we wish and pray for all of you that we can be back the school campus once again to get that stimulation provided by school environment, company of your friends, and social support of the parents and friends, which are very necessary for good mental well-being and growth of all of you. Once again, I wish all of you a grand, joyful, funny moments together in spite of our current pandemic situation. May God bless all of you and have a nice day. Thank you.
Teachers are the second parents. In some occasions, in the first parents. So, it is very much relevant to listen to their words in this wonderful celebration. So, let's listen to the teacher's greetings.
Every child is a different kind of flower, and all together make this world a beautiful garden. Happy Children's Day to all of you, my dear children.
Happy Children's Day, my dear children.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day, my dear students.
Happy Children's Day.
Children are the gift of the Creator God, and today is Year's Day. I wish you a happy Children's Day.
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 My dear children, we love you so much and wishing you a happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Every child is a different kind of flower, and all together make this world a beautiful garden. Never let die your creativity. Happy Children's Day.
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 Really, every child is a miracle. You are so special to us. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day, dear children.
Happy Children's Day, dear children.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Your soul is healed when you are with children. It's your day, children. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.
ശിശുദിനത്തിന്റെ എല്ലാ ആശംസകളും.
Happy Children's Day.
Here, we all are blessed to have a befitting chief guest. Yes, the chief guest of the day is Reverend Father Andrew Roshan Alva SSC. He is the principal of St. Vincent Pallotti PU and Degree College, Bengaluru.
Hello friends, myself Father Andrew Roshan Alva, Principal St. Vincent Pallotti College, Bangalore. It's mid-November again, a very special occasion for us. November 14 is celebrated as Children's Day. We Indians celebrate the birthday of country's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. His fondness for children and his deep bonding with them is legendary. Celebrating children in schools and educational institutions, at homes and in families is our way of honoring Chacha Nehru and his vision for the nation, which solidly rests on the shoulders of our young generation. And it is through the enthusiasm and aspirations of the children of our country we can manage to achieve the glory the Indian society deserves. Not only was Pandit Nehru a great confidant and friend of children, not only did he spend his time in the company of bright young minds, but he also set an excellent example for the parents and teachers of this country. Today is the era of technology, of busy lives, where the only complaint most of us have is lack of time, lack of personal contacts. His 10-year-old daughter Indira was studying abroad, and great man that he was, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, that he shaped the mind of his young daughter. He wrote so many letters, and today what we know as Letters from a Father to His Daughter, a great book containing of so many letters written by Jawaharlal Nehru. And what an excellent job he did. He gave us one of the most dynamic leaders we had, Indira Gandhi. Dear friends, far from cherishing the children who are our future, our nation's building blocks, the children of our country are still fighting for basic education and health care. India is one of the leading countries in the continent of Asia when it comes to employment of child labor. A whopping 33 million children are employed in various industries, about a fifth the child labor employed whole world. And many of these Indian children are employed in hazardous occupations such as matchbox companies or precious stone cutting mines. We are consigning their future and not making primary education available to each child. Dear friends, if only each of us make an effort towards building a great India, getting rid of this evil, will our country succeed in becoming a truly free country, become a country always having respect towards the children. I conclude once again by extending my warmest greetings and wishes to the children of Paloti Hill Public School, and also let us celebrate this day with joy and fully appreciate the gift of childhood that has been bestowed upon us by the Almighty God. Let us also remember the great responsibility that is ours to work towards the betterment, a better India. My gratitude to the management and principal for the Baiju for the opportunity. God bless you all.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born in 1889 and got good education. Later he fought for Indian independence. He loved children very much. He believed that children are the future of our country. He once said, "Children of today make the India of tomorrow." So, we are very much happy to celebrate Children's Day on number 14th, which is his birthday.
Good morning, my dear children. I am very excited to be here with you today. Children across the country have gathered here on my birthday. This is the most precious gift that I ever received. When I watch your smiling faces and beautiful roses in your hands, I feel that I am in a lovely garden with varieties of blooming buds. On this beautiful day, I am loved to tell that of our about trees, plants, animals, flowers, and stars and the other things surrounded us. Children, open your eyes and ears and look after this beauty surrounded you. Dear children, you may read many fairy tales and stories of adventure, but the world is the greatest fairy tale and the story of adventure. So children, explore the world. Dear children, you are the promise of tomorrow. You are the future of India. I can see your future, artists, engineers, teachers, etc. among you. Dear children, you are belongs to different parts of India, but I am really impressed of your unity and friendship. Try to retain this spirit of unity. You may be Marathis, Malayalis, Bengalis or Kashmiris, but you all are the son and daughter of Bharat Mata. So children, be positive, develop your talents and faces world cheerfully with you. Thank you.
Greetings to all. I am Anjali Sanal Sebastian of 7A. Do you know why we have gathered here today? Because it is Children's Day. So what is Children's Day? Children's Day is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. We also call him Chachaji. I wish you a very happy Children's Day. Let the love and laughter always stay in your face. So as it is Children's Day, don't you want some fun? So the boys of class 6 are going to perform an amazing dance for all of us. Let's watch and enjoy.
Maka, kita kan di maka, ini kali nak ടെല്ല് ബ്രോ അടിപൊളി ധമാക്ക കിടുക്കൻ ധിമാക്ക എനിക്കാ നിനക്കാ ടെല്ല് ബ്രോ ചിന്നാനക്കടി പെണ്ണെ ജിം ജിം ജിനക്കടി പെണ്ണെ നീലാസുന്ദരിയല്ലേ വരാനെന്തിനി നാണം ഈ നാടായ നാളൊക്കെ ആഘോഷമാക്കുമൊരു ഓമർ സെലിബ്രേഷൻ ചങ് ചങ് ചങ്ക് ബ്രോ നീ എൻ ചങ്ക് ബ്രോ നമ്മൾ സിംഗ് ബ്രോ നീ ഇല്ലാതെ എന്ത് ബ്രോ ചങ് ചങ് ചങ്ക് ബ്രോ മെല്ലെ സിംഗ് ബ്രോ ചുമ്മാ ഒന്ന് വിങ്ക് ബ്രോ നീ ഇല്ലാതെ എന്ത് ബ്രോ ചങ് ചങ് ചങ്ക് ബ്രോ നീ എൻ ചങ്ക് ബ്രോ നമ്മൾ സിംഗ് ബ്രോ നീ ഇല്ലാതെ എന്ത് ബ്രോ ചങ് ചങ് ചങ്ക് ബ്രോ മെല്ലെ സിംഗ് ബ്രോ ചുമ്മാ ഒന്ന് വിങ്ക് ബ്രോ നീ ഇല്ലാതെ എന്ത് ബ്രോ പറക്കാം ഏതതിരും മുറിക്കാം പരസ്പരം തുണയ്ക്കാം ഒത്തൊരുമിച്ചിരിക്കാം സങ്കടവും നോവുകളും പമ്പകടൻ നോടുകയായി ചങ്കുതരും സ്നേഹിതരും അടുത്തു നിൽക്കാൻ ഏതുതരം മീനുകളും തോറ്റുമടങ്ങേണ്ടി വരും സൗഹൃദമാം തേന്മഴത്തൻ ലഹരിയൊന്നിൽ ഇന്നതും പുറം മറന്നു നാം രസിച്ചിടുന്നേ ചങ് ചങ് ചങ്ക് ബ്രോ നീ എൻ ചങ്ക് ബ്രോ നമ്മൾ സിംഗ് ബ്രോ നീ ഇല്ലാതെ എന്ത് ബ്രോ ചങ് ചങ് ചങ്ക് ബ്രോ മെല്ലെ സിംഗ് ബ്രോ ചുമ്മാ ഒന്ന് വിങ്ക് ബ്രോ നീ ഇല്ലാതെ എന്ത് ബ്രോ അടിപൊളി ധമാക്ക കിടുക്കൻ ധിമാക്ക എനിക്കാ നിനക്കാ ടെല്ല് ബ്രോ ചിന്നാനക്കടി പെണ്ണെ ജിം ജിം ജിനക്കടി പെണ്ണെ നീലാസുന്ദരിയല്ലേ വരാനെന്തിനി നാണം ഈ നാടായ നാളൊക്കെ ആഘോഷമാക്കുമൊരു ഓമർ സെലിബ്രേഷൻ.
Childhood means simplicity. Look at the world through the child's eye. It is very beautiful. These lines are told by Kaila Satyarthi. Now, we are going to be seeing an amazing performance by the girls of class 6, Raghukhuleri.
रघुकुलरीत सदा चली आई प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए रघुवर
by the passing of years, but by what one does, what one feels and what one achieves, says Jawaharlal Nehru. A warm greetings to everyone. I'm Nivedya CK of Class 6B. Today, I'm here to present a short visual on Jawaharlal Nehru. Here it is. Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad. His father was Motilal Nehru and mother was Swarup Rani. His father was a barrister in profession and he gave the best of everything in his children's life. After his early education at home, by his English tutor, Nehru went to England to complete his education. After coming back to India, he put his heart and soul in the freedom movements of India. Nehru involved in India's freedom movement with Mahatma Gandhi. During these days, he was sent to jail several times. His entire life was dedicated to the independence of India. He was one of the greatest leaders who made the British India to a new independent India. He was a great political leader and he brought out many developments in India. Finally, after the independence of India in 1947, he became the first Prime Minister of India. Nehru was a great lover of children who loved him greatly and called him Chachaji. His birthday on 14 November is celebrated as Children's Day in our country every year. Today, on the occasion of Children's Day, let us all remember our dear Chachaji and dedicate our life to fulfill his great vision for the country.
Do not educate children to be rich. Educate them to be happy. Now, we are going to see a mind-blowing performance by the boys of 8th standard.
It felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never run. Hook up in my car, driving so far. Play the guitar, you show me your war. Let down our guards, think with our hearts. Stare at the stars, we were never apart. Drinking too young, drinking too young. Way too much fun, out in the sun. No drink when it's gone. Took you too far.
While we try to teach our children all about life, our children teach us what life is all about. Now, we are going to see a beautiful performance by the seniors of 9th standard. Enjoy.
बरसो रे मेघा मेघा बरसो रे मेघा मेघा बरसो रे मेघा बरसो मीठा है कोसा है बारिश का बोसा है कोसा है कोसा है बारिशों का बोसा है जल 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 भर जल भर जल 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 बहता जल नन्ना रे 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 बरसो रे गिली माटी के चल घरौंदे बनाएंगे रे रे तैर के चली मैं तो पार चली रे तैर के चली मैं तो पार चली रे मेरा नन्ना रे नन्ना रे नन्ना रे नन्ना रे नन्ना रे नन्ना रे
Mata Pita Guru Deva. Teachers and parents are like God. Teachers are the ones who influence children much more than their parents. Now we will see an visual treat, a gift by our very own Margaret Miss.
ఎటగానే ఎదురు చూపుకి తగినట్టుగా నువ్వు బదులు చెబితివే అరి దేవుడా దీంతనేంతలో పటే పిల్లడాంట దగ్గరై నన్ను చేరదీస్తివే బుట్టబొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అడ్డబొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే బుట్టబొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అడ్డబొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే
I like you, you like me.
world's most valuable resource and its best hope for the future. Next on stage, we are going to see an outstanding performance by the students of 10th standard.
Now, let's hear a song from our great Shabina.
ആലിപ്പഴം പെറുക്കാൻ പീലിക്കൂട നിവർത്തി ആലിപ്പഴം പെറുക്കാൻ പീലിക്കൂട നിവർത്തി പൂങ്കുരുവി പൂവാങ്കുരുവി പൊന്നോലിഞ്ഞാലിക്കുരുവി ഈ വഴിവാ ആലിപ്പഴം പെറുക്കാൻ പീലിക്കൂട നിവർത്തി ആലിപ്പഴം പെറുക്കാൻ പീലിക്കൂട നിവർത്തി പൂങ്കുരുവി പൂവാങ്കുരുവി പൊന്നോലിഞ്ഞാലിക്കുരുവി ഈ വഴിവാ
the creation of God. They spread joy in every season. Next, we are going to see a beautiful fusion dance by 7th standard. Enjoy.
ये बोल दो आएंगे देर से फिक्रे सब छोड़ दो आज हक से अपने हिसाब में हम जो करने चले गलती वो जोड़ लो तो आज यार कुछ लम्हों के लिए बिगड़ी राहों पे तुम पैरों को मोड़ दो आज हक से दुनिया को भूल के जितने हैं कायदे वो सारे तोड़ दो हो खुले ग्राउंड में आके ऊंचा साउंड बजा के रेड वाला कलर लगा के चेंगे हीरो बन कर जय जय शिव शंकर रंगूड़ी है भयंकर रंगूड़ी ले दो तुम आए मन शंकर के मूड है भयंकर रंगूड़ी ले दो जय जय शिव शंकर रंगूड़ी है भयंकर रंगूड़ी ले दो से अलग करके रख लूंगा तुझको मैं हक करके I wanna say you मैं तेरा ना सुनिए तेरे नाल नाल नी दुनिया को खुद से अलग करके रख लूंगा तुझको मैं हक करके I wanna say you मैं तेरा ना सुनिए तेरे नाल नाल नी
चला जाएगा तू मुझे तंग करके डिच वाली बातें मेरे संग करके I wanna say you मेरी रन सोने तेरे नाल नाल वे
मैं तेरा बॉयफ्रेंड मैं तेरा बॉयफ्रेंड मैं तेरा बॉयफ्रेंड तू मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड तू मैंने कहती ना 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 ना
तू मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड